TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 28. You get the Nasdaq up 6. S&P's are flat. Gold contracts down $2.70, trading at $12.52 an ounce. We have silver down 7 cents, $17.06 an ounce. Platinum's off $2.50 at $9.43 an ounce. Copper flat, $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude flat, $51.50 a barrel. Now we're going to get the oil numbers out at 10:30 this morning. Notes: 10-year note flat, 125.27. 30-year bond up one tick, 153.10. Now, what you had yesterday is that they tried to get to a higher high, couldn't handle price, came down, had some volume on the way down. So today's going to be an important day. You've got under the lows of yesterday thus far. It's rejected it. 2 o'clock this afternoon, you get the Fed minutes coming out from the May 3rd meeting. That's going to bring volatility inside the bonds, inside the dollar, as well as the market. King dollar is up one tick, 97.265. King dollar came off the low yesterday and had some volume. The King dollar very well could do a counter trend bounce before going lower. We have the euro at 111 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading at 111.90 to the U.S. dollar. We go over and take a look at the SPY, what you have with the SPY, NDX 100, as well as the Nasdaq Composite. They're all testing their highs. Dramatically lighter volume each and every time we go up here. Just to give you an idea, you go down 172 million. We started up last week with 115 million. Monday you do 48 million. Yesterday did 48 million. So the 48, is coming against the high, which had 149 million. So we'll see whether it can bust. This is a typical test on dramatically lighter volume. We get into the Dow Industrials. The Dow Industrials thus far now has 5 lower highs. So we'll see whether it can get over the high that was generated out here on the 16th of May. That was 21,033. We're 20,975. That was the high of today. Right now you're 20,967. Now what the Dow also has, the Dow has 4 additional lower lows. So that is the definition of a downtrend. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here yesterday got to a price point of $12.55. What you have out here this morning is that it's rejected lower price. It has lighter volume. So that's still saying that gold wants higher price. The volatility has been out here in spades, no doubt about that. Silver, same type of setup inside the silver market. What we have with silver got down to a price point today of $16.89. It rejected that low, has lighter volume. Silver looks like it wants to do an ABC structure on the way up. Now, you start putting those together. Let's go over to the bond market. So notes, what you had with the notes is this. Notes yesterday came down with some volume. We have some volume also today. We've done 1 million contracts thus far. Yesterday, you did 1.6 million. Now, that is coming into 2.4. So it's going to be crucial to keep your eye on 125.26 today. Right now, you're just above it. We're at 125.27. 30 years, the same type of setup. And these bonds and the dollar are going to be basically moving at 2 o'clock. And the 2 o'clock deal is going to be, what is the status quo? How fast do they want to go up on rates? And more than likely, we'll see what the market thinks about the aspect. Are they going to bring the balance sheet down or not? It's going to be all perception. There's no two ways about that. Dollar index got a bounce yesterday, and it had volume behind that move. So, we went from 96.705 up to the 97 area. I suspect what you're going to do here, we're going to have some kind of a counter trend bounce. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051. You can expect high volatility today coming up to the 2 o'clock announcement, folks. And bottom line is that we'll see which way this whole thing wants to go. But thus far, it looks like market wants to pull back a bit. Bonds want to go higher. The dollar's a toss-up right now. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking right back here at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.